In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track product analytics with Notion and Amplitude. Whether you're a product manager, a data analyst, or just someone curious about leveraging analytics to drive insights, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. By the end of this video, you'll have integrated two powerful tools to help you track and evaluate your products like a pro. Let's get started by heading over to Notion, which is your hub for wiki, docs, and project management. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Notion's homepage. Once there, you need to log into your account. Look for the login prompt on the screen and enter your details. If you're new to Notion, you might have to sign up and go through the onboarding process. But don't worry, it's straightforward and set up intuitively to get you started quickly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage, which serves as a central point for all your workspaces and pages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're not already, as it's crucial to know where things are located. Now, locate and click on the specific page where you want to track your analytics. This could be a page dedicated to a specific project or product, wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. With your page open, you'll be taking advantage of Notion's integration capabilities. Click within the page and type in Amplitude to bring up the Amplitude options. This is a handy feature in Notion that lets you integrate a variety of tools seamlessly. Once you've typed in Amplitude, you'll see the option to embed Amplitude right into your page. Go ahead and click on Amplitude Embed, which will initiate the integration process. At this point, it's time to connect your Amplitude account with Notion. Just paste in your Amplitude link when prompted, ensuring you have the right URL ready. This will link your Notion workspace and Amplitude account, allowing the two to communicate and share data effectively. It's essential to confirm you're logged into the right Amplitude account while doing this, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to ensure the data is being fed through correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion and Amplitude, setting up your workspace for advanced product analytics tracking. This setup brings your data insights directly into your project management suite, saving you time and creating a more cohesive workflow. Remember, this integration is immensely powerful, so take advantage of all the insights available to base your decisions on solid data. That's all for this quick tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore the full potential of these tools in unison. Stay tuned for more how-tos and keep harnessing the power of analytics in your projects.